Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with abusinesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 13th of September. And today was another interesting day. The market pretty much opened and went down, up, and then basically sideways. And right now it's at 62.25. It's 10:13 on Tuesday night. And our first trade came as a short in this area here, 875, and we wrote that down a little bit, took some profits, and then the market did come down. It looked like it could have continued, so we did take a short and got stopped out of that fairly quickly. And then we did accumulate a short position as the market did come up here, and then it definitely worked out very well from there. But we had 3 trades. We had 2 winners and 1 loser for a maximum profit potential of 12 points or 48 ticks. Now the actual trades called in the room entries and the exits, we made 10 3/4 points or 43 ticks. So we did play it a little bit conservatively, but 10 points is 10 points. If you're looking at $50 per point, like what the ES is, $50 per point, that's $500, 0.75, more than enough to pay for commission. So definitely not a bad day, especially for 2.5 hours worth of work. Not too bad at all. I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website. It's www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Stop by and check it out. It may or may not be for you. Trading is not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. But stop by and check it out. You may or may not like it. On the upper right hand side of the website, I do have a contact form. If you want to ask me any questions before you join, or maybe you are a member, you want to ask a question and you don't have time to ask it in the room, definitely take advantage of that. Or if you just want to give me some feedback, that's cool as well. I get a lot of comments and feedback from people. I definitely do enjoy that, reading that, seeing what people would like to see on the site, what they don't want to see on the site. It's good for me. So definitely do appreciate the feedback in a big way. Appreciate all the questions. I do enjoy answering questions. Day trading is definitely a passion of mine, and I picked the ES market because I think it has the most potential. And I think focusing on one market is makes it a lot easier in the long run, rather than trying to trade like 5 markets that are pretty much the same market. A lot of people out there, they trade the ES and the Russell and the Dow and the NASDAQ, and they're very, very similar and they're correlated. So why would you trade all of those? Because if you have a position in all of those, it's kind of like just having a extra position in the ES. So that's pretty much why I like to trade only one market. And you learn it over time, and it becomes a little bit more fun. For me, I'm definitely passionate about trading. I like the ES. It's my favorite, so that's why I picked it. And if anybody had any inquiries into that, and I have had a blah 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 blah. I have had a few questions about why don't I trade the Russell or the Dow or this and that. The ES is my favorite, so it is what it is. But I do feel that it can be picked up fairly easily. A lot of people they treat it like it's a hard market to pick up. The Russell's easier to trade than the ES. I don't really see that. But to each their own. If things easier, go for it. If not, it's everyone's different. Everyone has a different style. And I know I'm getting in a little tangent, but I wanted to talk about that a little bit. But anyway, stop by the website, check it out. Like I said, it may or may not be for you, and don't hesitate to ask any questions. I do enjoy that, and I enjoy meeting other traders, because trading is a lonely game. interesting conversation you can have. So, definitely check that out. If you do enjoy this video that you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. You can leave a comment under the video if you want. Appreciate that as well. Everyone have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.